That is a main sleeping area.
Alright, whatever.
Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new floor plan. This is a 2024 Grand Design Imagine AIM 16BL. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification because we have more videos coming your way. Now, let's get started. In the outdoor entertainment space, we do have our entryway, and we have an awning covering that entryway with an LED strip that goes all the way across the bottom of that. Also out here, we do have an outdoor griddle right here, so you can have this as a nice little party space, cook some burgers right there, and relax with your family. Now, let's check out all the storage. In the front of your Imagine, you have your pass-through storage space. This is honestly a pretty roomy space down here. You're gonna be able to fit all of your outdoor items. And since you do store some outside stuff in here, they've given you an easy to clean out floor down here with a gripped surface, so it's not gonna roll around while you're going down the road. We also do have a very bright LED strip down here so you can see down here when it's night out. And over on your side, you do have a convenience bay with all the hookups you're gonna need while you're at the campground. Now, check out some more storage. On the other side of your camper, driver's side, opposite of your entryway door, we do have another storage space. This is a great space to put all of your outdoor items in. You do have that same surface as your pass-through storage. Nice grip surface so it's not going to roll around while you're going down the road. And it is pretty roomy, so you can definitely throw some lawn chairs down here, maybe even a small little kid's bike, whatever you want. Now, let's check out the inside. When you first walk in, right beside your entryway door, we do have a little bunk area. These are pretty nice sized bunks, perfect for the kids, or they're honestly big enough if some adults want to tag along with y'all. It's going to be a great space for them as well. Up in this top bunk, you do have a light up here and a USB and USB-C port, so you can plug in your phones and tablets up there. You also do have your own little curtain in both of the bunks, so if they want a little bit of privacy of their own, they do have that. Down here we have another light, a window, and there's a little cubby hole back here with an electrical outlet in it. And you also do have an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port down on the end as well. And over to my left-hand side, we do have a little closet area. This opens up and it is pretty deep back there, so you're going to be able to put all of your items in there, and there is a hanging bar as well. So if you want to use this as a closet area, you can. You also have two nice sized drawers here as well, perfect to throw some socks and underwear in, or some other smaller items to keep them out of the way. Now, check out the main sleeping area. Right across from your entryway, we do have a couch. This is the perfect area for you to sit and watch a movie or just hang out with your friends in your living room. But this actually does roll over into a sleeping space. I kind of like to call this the nap area. If you want to take a quick little nap, you can just roll this over and you do have a bed. Or if you're ready for a nighttime sleep, it actually transforms into a queen size Murphy bed. And over on my right hand side, we do have another little storage area. This does have a shelf in here, but that shelf is removable, and there's a hanging bar in there if you do want to use it as your closet area for this main bed. You also do have 3 drawers here as well with some storage, and you have this nice little countertop. This would be a perfect area if you wanted to put a small little mirror out there. Use this as kind of a vanity area, you could do that. Or if you want to use it as a tiny little desk, that would work too. You do have an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port, so you can plug in your computer right there. You also do have some storage underneath and a little bit more storage up top for all your desk items. Now, let's move across the room and check out our entertainment space. Across from your bed is your dining space. You do have a nice size countertop over here, and they've even given you a wireless charging pad right here that does pop up and has a couple USB ports. This is a perfect area to sit and eat dinner with your family and friends, or if you want to use this as a desk area, it definitely works for that too. We have some storage underneath. It's a pretty nice size amount of storage down there. You could definitely throw your shoes in there, or if you wanted to put some board games, puzzles, or maybe some extra blankets, you have that space right there. Also up top, we do have a TV. This works as your entertainment space. I'm sitting right here at this area, and I can definitely see that TV very well. You can also see it from those bunks and from that couch and bed across the way, so that works out very good. And we also do have a very nice size window here as well, so while you're sitting here eating, you're definitely going to get some gorgeous campground views. Now, let's step over here and check out the kitchen. In our kitchen area, they have given you this nice set of hooks right here. This is perfect to put your purses on, or your raincoats, or maybe a backpack. Also, over in this area, we do have our control panel. This is where you're going to control all of your lights, your awning, and your one slide. You also do have your main light switch right here with a dimmer switch as well. And moving on over into the kitchen area, we do have lots of countertop space. What I love about these Imagine units, you do have this nice sink right here. They've given you this cover over it, so if you do want to use this to place some stuff on, you can do that. Or you can pull that up and you do have your sink in there. And the sink actually does pull up right there, so you can use it. And it is very nice, very easy to use. You just set that back down and close that back up. We do have some storage underneath. That is a pretty good amount of storage right there. You can put some pots and pans and other items in there. You do have more storage up top for all your plates and cups. Moving on over here, we have our 2-burner stovetop with that splash guard. And right here you have your microwave. That is actually a convection oven as well, so it kind of doubles as your microwave and your oven. We do have more countertop space back here, and there is an electrical outlet in this corner, so you can use this as a coffee area back here, or you can put an air fryer, kind of whatever you want, hidden away in that corner. You do have more cabinet space, and right here is our fridge with more cabinet space up here. This would be the perfect area to put all of your food, maybe some chips and stuff up here. And then down below that, we do have our fridge. The fridge opens up, giving you a lot of space for groceries, and you do have a freezer drawer down below as well. Let's open that up. Pretty nice size in there. You can definitely throw some ice cream in there and some popsicles. Now, let's check out the bathroom. In our bathroom, we have all the necessities. Right here, we do have our step to flush toilet, and behind me, you do have a couple hooks to put your bath towels and your bathrobe. Right behind me, we have our window, and there is an electrical outlet right here, so you can plug in all of those hairstyling tools. Over here is our sink, and I love this thing about this sink. You can push that up so you can move around here very easily, but when you want to use it, it just pulls down, and you can pull that sink head down so you can easily wash your hands, and that just goes right back up, and you can put that sink out of the way. You have your mirror right here, and it actually does open up, giving you a medicine cabinet. Pretty roomy. You have a couple shelves in there. You can definitely fit all of your bathroom toiletries in there. Now, let's check out our shower. In your shower, you do have a detachable shower head, and as you can see, we do have some natural light in here too, so it really makes it easy to get ready and get in here and shower in the morning time. We also do have a couple built-in shelves over on this side, so you can put your soaps and shampoo and conditioner over here. And the shower is pretty deep, so you don't have to worry about the water splashing out. You also do have this nice squeegee shower door, so that'll ensure all that water does stay inside. So if you like this unit or any other unit in our Grand Design line, make sure you give us a call or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.